Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to edit your PDF files document into the Apple Note. How to do that? We just need to go open the files application, and right after that go find the documents that you want to edit. So let's say here I will like to edit this document. So the next thing you need to do is just go click and hold, and then there will pop up several options here. And then the next thing you need to do is just go click share. And the next thing you need to do, you just need to take a look on this part until you found the notes, and then you just need to go click it. And now we just need to go click save. The next thing you need to do is just go back into your home screen and find the notes right away on the app library, and then you just need to go click it to find it. And then the next thing you need to do, you need to find the files that you just moved, and then you just need to go click it. So here the things that I would like to edit is here the month of the data. So the titles for December here, I would like to change them become January. So the first thing you have to do is just go click this pens button or icon, and then go click this plus button, add the shape, because we need to cover the text first. So we need to cover the text. You need to adjusting everything here. The size as well as the locations too. Make sure that everything is just correct. It's really challenging, guys, because we do it by phone. Well, we need to do it properly. And then the next thing you need to do is just go click this button and then pick the color that has the same color with the document's background. And whenever you're done, you just go click X. The next thing you need to do is just go add the text here. How to do that? You just need to go click this plus button again and go click add text. Now you just need to type the text that you want to replace here. Let's say, as I said before, I will let to change from December it became January. So I will let you type the January here and make sure that the font is just the same. And then just need to drag it there. And then if you want to change the size, you just need to go click the three small my bad. Go click double tap on it. And then now you just need to go click this text, and then you just need to go click number. You can drag it into the left side if we want to make it like smaller. Okay, and then you just need to place them into the specific area that you want to place it. And again, you just need to like adjusting the size again, just until like everything is just correct here. And whenever you get everything's done, now you just need to go click done and share it again. And now you just need to scroll it down and go click save to files. And then you just need to pick the folder and just go click save. So we need to go back home and let's check either we already edited or not. So here is the thing, it's already changed, become the January. This is December, and here is the January. So that is the way how to edit the PDF files on the Apple Notes. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.